Yo guys, what's going on? It's me back for another video. And I'm going to be doing a reaction video to where is it? To official Dark Knight Raps trailer. Wait. Where's the actual? Okay, so I guess this is one. It's called Champion. I'll see if this is the full version. No, it's not. There it is, Champion. Okay, so really bad background music.
I am a champion. Oh yeah. I know I will fail. I know I will fall. But no one can beat my beat I have in me. Oh yeah. Cause no one can rap as fast as me. Huh? Huh? Oh yeah. Huh? I have a hat in my back and that's all.
You have a what in your what? You guys are wearing your what?
No, here. Cause I have no fear. Yeah. Yeah. Cause I am a champion. That's you. I am a champion. I can beat the beat. I am a champion.
Why?
Cause I don't care. Cause I have no fear. Oh yeah.
What? Oh my god! You can hear the filmer laughing in the background. Okay, so no offense to Fist Bump Productions, but I know they have a better song out now. So I'm gonna react to that one too. I'll see you guys when I'm at the video. Okay guys, so I'm at this video now. It's called My Cars.
Boom, boom. I got those Yeezys. That new Rolex. Oh yeah, it's lit.
It's better than the last
We
one.
know how to do it. We know how to turn it up. We're riding in a Mustang, riding in a Mustang.
What is that auto-tune? RIP headphone users, it's gonna get loud. What?
This is hot and lit, like me. What? I woke up in my Bugatti while eating my spaghetti. Vroom, vroom, in that
This one isn't that bad.
boom, boom, the music go boom, boom. I got those Yeezys and that Rolex too. I got a new Samsung. Oh yeah. Boom, boom, in the Maserati.
There it is with the squeaky voice again. Now, Champion, it's just like, why? This one isn't so bad, but I'm gonna rate 2 of these songs 1 out of 10. So Champion, I'm gonna give it a 1. This one I'll give it like a 6. Comment down below what you guys think. And go subscribe to Fist Bump Productions. Peace out. I'll see you guys in the next one.